Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the like tab on your Tumblr application on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unhide the likes tab on your Tumblr application, or unhide the post like tab on your Tumblr account on your mobile phone. Just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the setting option. Then you just need to click on the page visible page option. So now you can see the second option, that like post your likes has been turned off. So if you are just going to preview, it shows only the post. So just need to turn on this. So now just click on the preview option again. You can have a two tab. It's one was the post and the second one was the likes. So this is how you just turn on the likes tab on your post likes tab on your mobile phone. So you can just change here. You can just turn on this, and this is how you just unhide the likes tab, post likes tab on your Tumblr account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.